Hey everybody, Danielle here and welcome back to my channel. Before I get this video started, just ignore this cotton in my ear, okay? It's a remedy, okay? Something, okay? Just ignore it. So today I'm talking to you guys about this unit that I'm wearing. It's by NYUWA hair / Elva hair. I've done a review on their hair before, which is the short curly Brazilian bob wig. I'll put that up in my cards above and also link the video down below. This is the NYUWA hair lace front human hair wig that is pre-plucked with baby hairs. It's body wave texture and it's Brazilian Remy hair, and it's a glueless lace front wig. I don't know why they gotta make their the names of their wigs so long. I don't know why they gotta make the names of their wigs so long, but I paid $166 for this unit. It's 18 inches. So it stops about here on me. 18 inches. Body wave. It's 150% density, and they carry, I'll tell you the lengths. It's a natural black and it goes up to 24 inches. Oh, it's 130% density. Not even 150. I thought it was 150%. And trust me, this hair is like really thick for 130% density. When it's flat ironed, when it's in its natural state, when it's curled, it's super thick. You couldn't even tell that it's that thin. The short curly wig that I had in the other video is 150%. So I can't really tell the difference between that and this, because since they're two different hair textures. So this is a frontal. Guys, I'm still learning how to wear frontals, and every time I wear it I'm following a new technique to see which one is better for me. I'll insert a video and a picture of when I wore the wig for the very first time. I flat ironed it and I used a curling iron, not a curling wand but a curling iron, and I used the Freeze Blast spray. So the got to be Freeze Blast spray in combination, I don't know if it's gonna focus. So I used this Freeze Blast spray in combination with the, focus back on me, with the Got to Be Glued Invisible hair styling gel in the black tube, not the yellow one. I heard that the yellow one is waterproof, I think, and is a little bit stronger, but honestly if you're using the blasting freeze spray in combination with the black one, I think it works just the same, plus you get less flaking. So the way I apply the unit is just spraying it on my hairline and using a blow dryer to dry it down. The first time I wore it, I did the whole like gluing the wig cap to my hair and cutting it around and all of that stuff, and it looked really good, but lately I've just been too lazy to do that. The wig isn't laying as flat right now because I have just 4 big cornrows going in the back of my head, but when it's on and you have like a good braid pattern, it lays really flat. It's super soft. It holds the curl. Why am I having such a hard time speaking right now? It holds the curls very well. Obviously you can use like products in it because it's human hair. I personally wouldn't recommend using anything too heavy. So for washing I use a co-wash, the Talia Wahid co-wash, or the Aunt Jackie's co-wash. They both work the same. Or you can use like a mild shampoo and conditioner, like a vitamin E or like argan oil or something like that. And then any products you put in your hair, obviously you can use a Freeze Blast spray to hold down to like maintain any flyaways, or a light leave-in spray or something. I don't know if I have, no, I do have a video of me wearing this hair in its natural texture after it's just been washed, which I will put in this video as well. But so far so good. Not much complaints. The only issue I had was when I washed it the very first time and I combed it, it was very like tangly, and I got like this big wad of hair that came out. I'll insert the video. But in terms of buying from this hair company, even with that like experience, I will continue to buy from the company because I emailed them, I spoke to customer service, I let them know what happened. I won't tell you what they did for me, but they did do something to resolve the issue, which I totally appreciate. It would have been a different story if I was like ignored, or they didn't try to do anything to accommodate the issue, and it could have very well been that I just got a bad batch of hair. But the wig is constructed very nice. The short curly wig, that's a 13 by 6 lace closure. I'm not sure about measurements when it comes to lace front wigs. I'm gonna look up a 13 by 4 closure. So the wig that I'm wearing right now, it is a 13 by 4. Based on what I saw as a 13 by 4 closure, that's what this closure looks like. So you do get enough like parting space to go as far as like here, but it's not as far as a 13 by 6. Like 13 by 6, you can take it pretty far back. In terms of plucking and customizing it, I didn't do anything to the wig because I've never plucked a lace wig before, and I don't want to ruin it. I'd rather just have a full front, like lace front, or a full wig in the hairline area than to screw it up, because once you screw up or you pluck too much, like your wig's done. I watched a video on that and it looked so bad. But in terms of all that, I haven't plucked, I haven't bleached the knots, I haven't done anything. This is like straight out the box. I've had this wig for about a month. And I've worn it, this is my 3rd time wearing it actually. And as for shipping, it came in like, I'm gonna say 2 business days. I ordered on like a Friday night and it came in like a Tuesday afternoon. I haven't had any shipping issues with this company. They ship straight to like your house. They follow delivery instructions. I didn't have to pay for shipping. Shipping was free. And the thing with AliExpress that I like is that they have coupons that you can use towards your purchase. So I did use a coupon. I got like $2 off. Not much, but it helps, especially when you don't have to pay for shipping or anything. But yeah, like so far so good. I love the wig. For both wigs, I'm gonna do a follow-up review. So for the short curly wig, it's been maybe 2 months since I've had the wig, so it's due for a review. And then this one, I'm gonna give it another month before I review it in terms of shedding. If I run my fingers through it, I'm getting at least 3 or 4 strands of shedding. If I am brushing it like with this or a fine tooth comb or something, there's a reasonable amount of shedding. But because I've never had like a straight human hair wig, I don't have anything to really compare it to, but the shedding is manageable. It's nothing that's overwhelming. It's just like if you were to straighten your own natural hair. I know for me, when my natural hair is straightened and I comb it, I do get like some shedding. So it's something equal to that, nothing that's totally unbearable. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video on this wig. I really like it. The next video I'm not gonna have the unit on because I want to show you guys what the 13 by 4 closure looks like, what the lace looks like, and all of that stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.
I know it hurts sometimes, but